Mire wa ngari Mburu na Jane Mukami Joshua mari hamwe na muiru ungi wao riria maguthirwo ni ngari makinya manini kuma mucii kwao itura-ini ria Gathanji Githunguri.
Ni ndamuthaitha mutwarithie ngari mumenyereire andu aria mari bara ni tondu andu aitu matigatiga kugera mikira ya bara nikuo tugeraga andu aria tutari na ngari na aya atumia makorirwo mehereire ngari magikorwo mukira wa bara. Ndamuthaitha mutwarithie ngari wega na mutari na ihenya mumenyerere nginya aria mukuite bara citu ni njega ni tuthondekeirwo bara ni mugathe Uhuru.
Ndenda borithi eke thuthuria muiganu na insurance ihuthire maundu mothe ona gutuika na insurance ikirugamagira maundu mothe ithue ruo rwa ngoro na tutuika ni rugathira ni undu wa maundu maria tuonete iguru yohoro.
Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Kajiado komanda wa borithi wa Isinya Ansiet Karoki oritie matereba marori na turera cia gukua mirigo gukorwo na umenyereri barabara-ini akimoria maiyukie mutugo wa kweheragia ngari ciao kuma barabara-ini riria ciathuka kuona ni gukoretwo na mitino mingi iria ihanikite thutha wa matereba kugutha rori ithukiire barabara.
We have witnessed several accidents involving trailers, while mobile and while others are stationary, and most of them are turning to fatal, and if not fatal, serious injuries to persons have been occasioned.
Can we up our game? If we have stalled trucks, can we tow them away from the roads, so that somebody who is driving and don't know that there is a stalled truck that is not properly marked, that does not have the right marking on the road, then these incidences are sure to happen.
Na pia hii Kajiado County kama inaweza afford breakdown, bado tuna insist walete breakdown ambayo itakuwa inaondoa hizi marori kwa barabara ziache kusababisha maafa.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Charles Gikuga wa Kariuki.